This waffle made from lentils has 21 grams of protein. That is wild, you guys. Lentils have recently become a bit of an obsession of mine. Red lentils are basically the Swiss Army knives of legumes. You can turn them into lasagna, into pizza crusts, and apparently even high protein waffles. Let's get into it. Don't forget to subscribe below if you love high protein plant-based deliciousness. Let's make a waffle. So the ingredients for lentil waffles are really simple beyond red lentils. You know, we've got plant milk, some cinnamon, salt, baking powder, a little bit of some dates for sweetness, vanilla, and hemp hearts. So we're gonna rinse our lentils first and soak them in some plant milk. I'm using soy milk here, 1 cup of lentils and 1 1/3 cup of milk. Just give it a stir, put a lid on it, whatever container you're using, and pop it in the fridge, let it soak overnight. Overnight soaking is important because we need that time for the lentils to really absorb the milk. And this is what I'm talking about right here. You can see it's quite the difference from what it looked like last night to what it looks like today. It's really, really thickened up, and it doesn't look like there's much milk left in here. It's mostly been absorbed into the lentils, which will make a thicker batter, which is what we want. Once you have your lentils all soaked up, all you have to do is make a quick batter in a blender. Yeah, it's literally that easy, you guys. Takes like 2 minutes of effort. So in go our soaked lentils. A few dates. These are pretty small, so I'm gonna probably add in 4, but if you have large, big, plump medjool dates, add like 2. 2 teaspoons of baking powder, plus 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar to activate the baking powder and give the waffles a little bit of lift and fluffiness as they bake. A big pinch of salt, about a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a couple tablespoons of hemp seeds. Now slap a lid on her, and we're just going to blend on high speed until we reach a nice thick batter, almost like an extra thick pancake batter or runny muffin batter. Kind of like this. So we'll just let this sit for a couple minutes, thick up, get our waffle iron preheating a little bit. Yes. And also while the waffle iron preheats, it's actually the perfect opportunity for you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Yeah. It's free to subscribe, and I just want to help you live your happiest, plantiest life and give you some delicious, healthy, high protein, plant-based awesome recipes. Oh, and you can also like this video, which is right down there. Give the waffle iron a quick cheeky little spray with some cooking oil. And then I'm gonna add in like a cup. I'm gonna attempt about a cup of the batter. Maybe a little less. Yeah, that's about a cup. And seal. Goodbye. This will take about 10 minutes to cook. So yeah, it's a little bit of a process, but at least the prep time was basically a minimum, you know? See that right there? That is always my biggest fear when it comes to making waffles. That's just going to like explode out the edges. It's happened before. Let me tell you. Are we ready to do a grand reveal? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, look at that. It's a beaut. Okay, what I like to do is I just like to give it one quick turn just so I get that front piece that doesn't quite cook properly. And oh my god, okay, we're like 2 minutes away. I mean, can we just appreciate the color on this thing? I'm burning my fingertips for you guys. Ow, ow, ow. Y'all, do you see this? This is incredible. Crispy golden edges. This is like textbook perfect waffle. Oh my gosh. It's dense, it's hearty, it's chewy, but it's crispy and still somehow fluffy. Oh, that maple cinnamon butter, yum. A little bit of jam, a little bit of maple syrup. You guys seriously need to make these waffles now. Seriously, don't sleep on this waffle. Eat it instead. If you love this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to Steamy Vegan below. I wanna help you live your happiest, plantiest life. I got so many other great lentil recipes like these lentil pizza crusts right here, and I have my top lentil recipes in this video right here. Don't forget to like this video before you leave. I'll see you in another video real soon. Ta-ta!